So let's get into this quick and easy eggless sponge cake recipe. To a large bowl, I have some butter. We'll whisk that until it's, loosen up a bit, and then we'll go in with some condensed milk and powdered sugar. Now, usually I would show you all the ingredients before we get started, but today I was in a rush and I decided to just jump right in. But all the correct measurements and ingredients will be listed in my description box. The recipe is super simple and easy, and the ingredients are very few and easy to find. Next, we'll add some vanilla extract, mix that in really well, and then we'll go in with our flour, baking powder, and we'll add some evaporated milk. Now, as you add your flour a little at a time, you will add the evaporated milk also a little at a time. We're not using eggs, so we need the milk to make it nice and moist. Now, if you don't have evaporated milk and you just want to use regular whole milk, you can do that as well. But the evaporated milk makes the cake more nice and rich. Now, once we are done combining the flour and the milk into the batter, you want to mix it until it's just combined. Do not overmix your batter. And once we're done with that, we will transfer it into our baking pan. I'm using a square 9-inch baking pan for this, and you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to bake for about 30 to 45 minutes. It all depends on your oven. Once you insert a skewer or a toothpick and it comes out clean, that's how you know it's done. After about 35 minutes, my cake is all done, and this is what it's looking like. It smells amazing and I can't wait to dig in, but first we'll allow it to cool off a bit before. And I will just place this onto my wire rack so that the air can circulate and it can cool faster. Don't mind me, I nearly threw the cake off of the rack, but that's all in the game. So we will peel back this parchment paper and just allow this to cool off, and then we'll cut into it and we'll see what it looks like. So now let's just cut into the cake and see what it looks like. I know it's going to be delicious. The cake is super simple, and I forgot to mention that if you want to add other flavors to this cake, you sure can. Make it your own. Just add what you like to it, and it will still be amazing. This is the texture of the cake. It's so soft, moist, and it's amazing. I think I like this better than the cake with eggs. My honest opinion, I feel like this tastes way better. It was light, fluffy, and so moist. I had to stop myself from eating it all. And I just hope you all give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I'll leave all the ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching and enjoy.